Okay, everybody join. So now I request Binay Sahu. So please start the process.
Okay, thank you, Sunil. Thank you for giving me such a beautiful opportunity today. And good evening, everyone present here. Today is the inaugural session of BHIMS IAS. The only target is to inspire each and everyone, those who have connected in this group. So thank you, Sunil. Thank you for such a nice platform that you have created. So today is the inaugural session, and in this inaugural ceremony of BHIMS IAS, a gateway to civil service examination, it may be UPSC and OPSC, and our target group is undergraduate, graduate, and obviously civil service aspirants. So today I would like to welcome officially to the chief guest, Sri Preman OJS retired, ex-member Adalat PUS, ex-member Vigilance Committee Judiciary, ex-senior superintendent of jail. Welcome, sir. A hearty welcome to you to this inaugural session. And again, I would like to welcome the guest of honor for today's session is Mr. Haldar Nialji, District Information and Public Relation Officer, Navrangpur. Welcome you, sir. Again, I would like to welcome the chief speaker for today's session, Dr. Vivekanand Mahanand who is working in Junagadh now as a medical officer and also involved in different types of social activities and a very good counselor also in career aspect. Thank you. Welcome, sir, Dr. Mahanand. Again, I would like to welcome the host for this session. Obviously, Sri Sunil Mahanand, IAS aspirant, founder of BHIMS IAS, and who has uh, done so many efforts to bring this platform to each and everyone present over here. Thank you, Sunil. Welcome you. Next is the co-host for this session, obviously one of our friend who is inspiring each and everyone, those who are reading in government autonomous college, as well as those who are reading in the rural areas. He is inspiring each and every times that he is getting. Dr. Sesadev Sunaji, welcome, sir, the lecturer in economics, Kalahandi University, Bhawanipatnam. So it's a nice platform to inspire, educate, and to inspire other also. So today I would like to uh, call the chief guest for this session, Sri Premanand Bagji. Please have a few words, inspiring words to the aspirants of this group, and show that with your lovely and nice hearty words, we will start this BHIMS IAS Academy. Over to you, Premanand Bagji.
Thank you. Thank you all. Can you hear my word?
Yes, sir.
Sir, namaste, sir. Yes, sir.
I am very happy that such type of BMIS coaching center so-called has been initiated by our Mr. Sunil Kumar Mahanand. I am very happy to hear. I am very happy to hear this. First of all, I must say that this is a very good platform for all the aspirants of UPSC and OPSC. I must say this institution will create all sorts of facilities to the aspirants because we know that our aspirants are facing various problems to appear the UPSC and OPSC examination. Just problem is maybe environmental problem, financial problem, materials problem. Maybe some aspirants may be ignorant about the UPSC and OPSC examination. I think this platform will bring all aspirants to one place to share their difficulties, as well as exchange their ideas, knowledge, skill, strategy among themselves. The problem can be solved among themselves. Perhaps this is first coaching center in our state, Odisha, to provide such facilities to the aspirants. It will provide some materials also as per requirement of the aspirant. What Mr. Sunil Kumar Mohanan had said, those who will do better, they can be provided with financial help also, along with more moral support, psychological support. There will be a target to create at least some IAS and IPS and OS, OPS within 2-3 years. Through this platform, achievers of OS, IAS will motivate the aspirants to reach their goal through their experience, how they could achieve and crack the civil service. They will ventilate before the aspirants to prepare themselves accordingly. I am very happy that all sorts of facility can be provided to our aspirant, even those are residing in the inter or the remote corner of the state. So I think I must thank to Mr. Sunil Kumar Mohanan that he has founded such type of very good institution to encourage our aspirant and to achieve their goals. Definitely, I must say one thing I must add that those who are appearing in this OS or IS examination, our people are not so serious. So I must suggest that those who want to appear the examination must be serious on the subject, must be serious on their study. Their intensity to appear the examination definitely achieve their goal. So this platform must help them provide optimum facilities to achieve the goal. This platform can be the torch bearer to the this platform can be the torch bearer to concentrate their minds on the issue. Definitely, this platform in all respects will help the aspirant, and this purpose of this institution must be fulfilled if all will cooperate and work as per the requirement and the facilities given by the platform. I think they must succeed in their purpose. So I am very happy that such type of institution has been created by Mr. Sunil Kumar Mohanan. I must thank and hope it will continue for years together to give chances to our aspirants to achieve their goals. I hope all can understand and work together to make the purpose purposeful, make the purpose fruitful. All the best and thank you all. So lastly, as per the program, I am very happy to inaugurate the program in presence of all the aspirants and Mr. Haldol Nial, DIPRO, Mr. Dr. Vivekananda Mahanand, Mr. Sunil Kumar Mahanand, Mr. Sasadev Suna, and all others present in the virtual meeting. Thank you all the best.
Thank you very much, बाग सर. And मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख तो यूं ही फड़फड़ाते हैं दोस्तों, पंख तो यूं ही फड़फड़ाते हैं दोस्तों, हौसलों से ही उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से ही उड़ान होती है. So have patience, a day will come and we will enjoy the day, enjoy the time that is coming ahead. So have a concentrated mind and just focus on your studies and be connected and stay connected with VIMS IAS group, and so that you can clarify in this platform what Dr. Premanand Bagh sir just narrated. And now I would like to request Mr. Sunil Kumar Mahanand to just throw light on the aims and objectives of this group that he has created, and we have joined in this session. So let's hear what is the aims and objectives of this group. Over to you, Sunil.
Thank you, Vinay. Namaskar and Jai Bhim to all. Thank you, Preman sir, Bagh sir. Actually, I am very happy. Okay, sir. And thank you, everybody. Thank you, every participant to be participate here. Really, I'm very, very happy and delighted to just say something about the aim and objective of creating of this group. Really. So actually, there is a story behind it. Okay. Why I created this one? Yes, many people are preparing UPSC civil service examination, but I noticed in my area in Odisha, so why the people are not qualifying UPSC civil service examination in so long period of time. Okay, particularly that our community people, and I belong to a very remote district, you know, that Kalahandi district, and no candidate from Kalahandi district are getting or qualifying UPSC civil service examination. So what is the reason behind that? So I decided, actually I search for this good platform, that how to get such motivation, opportunity, materials, guidance, but I did not find it. Okay, but when I started this one, when I got the job in a police department as a constable in 2010, and I completed my graduation in 2010, and after completion of the graduation, I joined in the police department. At that time, I had no idea about that OPSC and UPSC civil service examination. And I rendered my service up to 2018. And when I posted in IB, SIW, Special Intelligence Wing of Government of Odisha, at that time I got the opportunity to work with the IAS IPS officer. At that time, my mind strike, actually, how these people are becoming IAS and IAS IPS officer. So one of the IPS officer told me, guide me. So you can be a IAS officer because you have qualified your bachelor degree. So you are eligible for UPSC civil service. So at that time, my age was 28 years age. At that time, I knew about this platform. Then I joined in Lisa's IAS Coaching Institute. I spent a lot of money. I spent a lot of money for preparation of UPSC civil service examination. And still I am also preparing for UPSC civil service examination continually. So see, now my age is 34 years of age and preparing for about 8. And many people or many students do not have idea about UPSC or when they should start this examination. So that I decided how to help to the people, to the student, those who are pursuing their graduation and undergraduate from +2 or +3 level, so that we can guide them, and after completion of their graduation they could able to reach their destination as early as possible. So main purpose is to create this group to guide, moral support, financial support is also be provided. Okay, we have to trace out some resource person, or we have to find out some those who are very interested to prepare for UPSC civil service examination, and they show their result in preliminary examination. We will also provide them both moral support as well as financial support. And most of the important PDF materials will be provided in that group. And I have already sent a lot of PDF in the group. You might have seen in the group. So if material will be sent, and if the material will not be discussed in the group, okay, very holistically, then that material will be just kept as a waste material. So that material should be discussed among us and prepare according to the requirement of OPSC and UPSC, right? And sir told, Baksar told, it is a coaching center, right? It is not a coaching center, it is the platform, just a platform to motivate the student and encourage the student so that they can reach in their goal as early as possible. Therefore, I would like to just conduct the meeting. I have to conduct the meeting at least 3 days in a week and discuss about this civil service examination. For example, I'm the expert in any particular subject. I will teach about that subject. And another XYZ, Binoy is just a specialist in particular subject. He is well acquainted in a good particular subject. He will teach in the subject. Another XYZ, Kanu Malik, is a specialist in a particular subject. He will teach that subject. Okay, so grouply we will discuss the topic. So definitely, if we mix and if we exchange our knowledge, skill, or our opinion before us, then definitely we will easily reach in our destination. Then also another thing, just I have decided I'm preparing, no doubt, but I'm not preparing for myself. Just I'm preparing for everybody. Whatever knowledge I have gained, I want to distribute among the young aspirant, and I also learn from you also, you people also, because everybody has the special quality and special knowledge. So if we share the knowledge each other among us, definitely our domain of knowledge can be increased. And I have targeted, I want to declare from here, those who will qualify UPSC civil service preliminary examination in 2020, definitely at least minimum 10,000 rupees will be given from me to that candidate in 2022, because our form fill up will be there in February 2022, and exam will be conducted in June 2022, right? So those who will qualify the preliminary examination, 10,000 rupees will be given to that particular candidate to encouragement. See, there is a UP, there is a village, a small village, and if you enter any village or any house, you can find one IAS, IPS officer in that village. But in our Odisha, or if you take the example of Kalahandi district, there is no single person have qualified this examination. Why? What is the reason behind that? already rightly told by our Premanand Bag sir that there may be any type of problem. So how to sort out their problem collectively, right? So that are the main purpose. And regularly basis, we shall discuss about this civil service examination and what problem are facing by anybody that must be revealed by among us, and we want to sort out the program. So thank you, and this is all. And I request Binay Sahu to continue the session. Okay, namaskar and jai Bhim.
Thank you, Sunil. Thank you for your inspiring words and about narrating the aims and objectives of this group. And I would like to show you one example that last last UPSC examination, 2 candidates from Kalahandi became IAS. So I would like to rectify your data. So feel proud to be a Kalahandia. And now our guest of honor is here. We would like to welcome you, sir, again, because you were absent in the first phase of this meeting. Mr. Haldar Nialji, District Information and Public Relation Officer, Nabrangpur. Sir, can we have a few words from your side, sir? Mr. Haldar Nialji, over to you.
Actually, unfortunately, just I want to interrupt here because Haldar Nag sir is just suddenly one of the official meeting was there. Minister visited his office, so that he did not able to attend our session. Okay, now
Okay.
you can request Dr. Vivekanand sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. And here the chief speaker is here, one of the most dynamic, youthful personality of our area, Dr. Vivekanand Mahananji, medical officer Junagadh, as well as social activist and a very good career counselor. And, we would like to welcome on the dash to have a few words to inspire the youth. Over to you, Mahanand sir. Hello.
Very good evening and joy evening to all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You are clearly audible.
Can you
Okay.
please unmute your video, sir?
Actually, I have some issues with my video, so
Okay, okay.
I think this will be better.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Again, joy evening to all of you, and I am happy that Mr. Sulith Mahanand already told about many things about the civil service examination, what should be needed to the examination. And I think I will emphasize on the what should be done for the examination and what is needed for this examination. And as you know, this in this current time, in the contemporary world and this democracy, the civil service examination is very much important as it making the bureaucrats, because in this process, the civil service examination not only making the bureaucrats, it also gives some, critical knowledge about different aspects, so that everybody should know at least some basic knowledge while preparing this examination, what need to be done in this for this examination. So what should be the role of a civil service in this governance? The first thing is that civil servant can provide different kind of services like protection to the people, the citizens, and maintaining the law and order situation in this country. And the next thing is that the management in socially or economically. And the third point is that provide the welfare services to the people. As you know, public distribution services, and the most important recently, the ongoing pandemic, the COVID-19, and maintain the continuity for the benefit of the people, for the development of the nation. Suppose if the president role is implied in any state, the chief secretary and all the bureaucrats will run the government function. Not only assisting the minister, they provide the financial operation in our nation, and also they became the interface between the state and the citizenry. I mean, the citizen and the government. The interlink between the citizen and the government is the bureaucrats. So this examination is very much essential for the development of the society and the whole nation. I would like to bring kind notice here that according to DS Kothari Committee recommendation of 1976, this examination needed 4 qualities in a civil service. I mean, a candidate should have a basic sense of knowledge. The first point, I mean, the first recommendation by the Kothari Commission in 1976, that a candidate should have a sense of knowledge. And second foremost thing is that a candidate should have sense of management. And the third most thing is that a candidate should have a sense of coordination with different departments. The fourth and the last important point, important recommendation, that the candidate should have sense of decision-making capacity. These 4 recommendations is very much crucial for the civil service examination. Keeping these 4 points, what a candidate should do, what need to be done. As you know, the civil service examination do not require lot of knowledge or deep knowledge. Only this examination needed a sense of knowledge, means knowing something about everything. If you go deeply, if you go in deeper sense, then you might be an expert. For us, you will not be qualified this examination. Then what should be or what should needed for this examination? This examination mostly, as per my knowledge, this examination need perseverance and dedication. The foremost important things. As you know, civil service examination almost taking a 1 year. Throughout, I mean, the examination process is about 1 year. Keeping that point, we have to do strategic work. I mean, smart work. Without a smart work, without a strategy, good strategy, the success will be not achieved. So first thing, we have to follow certain rules and principles while preparing this examination. The first one, as per my knowledge, we should go through details about the syllabus of this examination. What is the syllabus? Second thing, previous year question paper that will guide you how the question is framing, what kind of question is asking civil service examination. That's a previous year question paper is important. At least 10 years previous year question paper. And the third thing is that good resources, good materials. I often see people running behind a lot of materials. that will create harsh, because we do not have a lot of time to prepare a lot of materials, because civil service examination don't needed deeper knowledge. The fourth important thing is that note making process. People, students, civil service aspirants, they start note making from the first day, and that is not correct. Where? Because without understanding a subject, without understanding the topic, if you are making any notes, then everything, I mean, you can write everything, whatever written in the book, you will write everything, because you do not have the basic knowledge, or do not have the basic concept, clarity of the concept. So when to make note, after reading 2 to 3 times of any topic, then after you should make note. The fifth point is that revise those notes repeatedly, so that you can remember those points, those topic easily, and that will help you in this examination.
Oh, Vivekanand
Sixth
sir, sorry
important
to
thing is that
Vivekanand sir, sorry to interrupt you. Only 2 minutes is left. Okay, sir. After just because only 40 minutes is limited of Zoom meeting, so we do not have paid version. It is just a free version. Only 2 minutes is left.
okay.
After just it is sorted out, then please I request you everybody to rejoin again, so that we can continue our session next time. Okay,
Okay.
please I request you to rejoin
Then
again.
only-
Okay,
On
sir,
the
continue,
same,
end
sir.
this session.
Continue, sir.
yeah, on the, okay.
Okay.
Sir, please continue.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, continue, sir. Just after time is out, then we can join again, sir. Okay, sir. Continue, sir.
There, the next important thing is analyze the mock test with judiciously, so that what is your knowledge you can assess and make a note out of that analysis part, and revise those notes repeatedly until you will qualify this examination. Then what are the resource materials? Which resource is best for this examination? There is a lot of materials in the market. The people suggest a lot of materials according to their choice, according to their preference. But the basic important thing is that everybody recommend the NCERT, class 6 to class 12. And most importantly, the 11th and 12th NCERT. The NCERT, I mean, few questions will ask by the UPSC directly from the NCERT, but that NCERT will build your confidence and clear the conceptual part. That's why you need to prepare from NCERT, the basic part. After completion of that basic NCERTs, you have to follow the advanced textbook. So in history, you can follow
Vivekanand sir. Yes. Now there is Vivekanand sir. Okay, sir. Please continue, sir. Vivekanand sir, am I audible to?
Not follow this bulky book because the cost and benefit ratio is very less. For society, current affairs from the Vision IS material or the value addition material of Vision IS institution. And for geography, hello.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay. And for geography, the NCERT book is very much important, and most of the questions are being asked from that NCERT book, class 6 to class 12, and especially the 11th and 12th class NCERT, along with the GC Leong, one very small book. You can cover that within 1 week. And for the polity, you can follow M. Lakshmikant or you can follow DD Basu. M. Lakshmikant is important for the preliminary examination, but the DD Basu is very much important for the mains examination. So follow according to your plan. And for the international relationship, you have to follow the current affair materials from the Vision IS, which is very precise and specific about the international relationship. And you can follow the Rajya Sabha TV debate and AIR news, All India Radio News. If any international relationship news are going on, you can listen from the apps which is available in your Play Store. Next, the economy. Economy is very much dynamic, and mostly the UPSC asking from the current affairs. So first you need to cover all the basic from NCERT. And second, you have to judiciously follow the current affair from The Hindu newspaper. For environment, many people recommend the Shankar IS book, but personally I feel that unit 14 from class 12th chemistry and last 4th unit from class 12 biology of NCERT. That will give some conceptual clarity, and again you have to follow all the current affairs from the Hindu newspaper or from the Vision IS material. I think Vision IS current affair is one of the best quality materials or resource for this examination. In environment, in international relationship, and in science and technology. For science and technology, I would recommend to follow one program is going on, I mean every weekly program in Rajya Sabha TV. Now it's become Sansad TV. You can watch from the new emerging technology from that. I mean, that is available in YouTube, that is free. So for science and technology, you have to search the important emerging technologies from the internet. And the rest, ethics and aptitude. Just Google the all terms, whatever mentioned in the syllabus, and make a proper note with 2 to 3 examples. I think that will be sufficient. For CSAT examination, for CSAT part, if you are strong in comprehension or English, then do practice some mock test or previous question paper. And if you are strong in mathematics, analytical part, then appear mock test. After appearing the mock test, whatever your marks, then you can decide whether you should go for a guidance or coaching institution, or is it okay for you. As you know that it's qualifying, you have to score at least 33%. So I think that that part is you can handle. Now, what is this VMIS WhatsApp group or the Zoom meeting? How this can help you? This VMIS will provide you the important basic study material and some conceptual clarity for every topic. Again, whatever we are studying in our day-to-day life, we can share in this group. If you have doubt, you can also contact any one so that your doubt may be clear. And this VMIS WhatsApp group will provide you a continuous motivation, continuous guidance, so that you can achieve your target. And lastly, I think I have taken a lot of time. Lastly, I would like to thank you, Mr. Sunil Mahanand, and all the founder of this new initiative, and all the best to all of you, and thanking you all of you that you have listened me. Again, Jai Bhim to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Mahanand. Thank you very much for going into details of the syllabus and the preparing strategy that we should have, and how to follow, what to follow and what not to follow. And there are so many subjects that you just prescribed here in this platform. So with a great hearty congratulations as well as hearty thanks. Thank you very much, sir, for going into details through this session. रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, रख हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा, प्यासे के प्यास चल के समंदर भी आएगा, थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मंजिल मिलने का मजा भी आएगा, मंजिल मिलने का मजा भी आएगा. So with the hard times that we are facing, we have to go to a softer one. So here, another dignitaries for this session is Dr. Sisudev Shona, lecturer in economics uh, from Kalahandi University, Bhavanipadna, present over here. Welcome, dear, and please have a kind words to this session and to the participants. Dr. Shona, over to you.
Actually, it is also from Dr. Dasadev Suna's side. His mobile is not working properly. Just he had gone to market for to mend his mobile phone, and unfortunately, it is not clear, so that he cannot speak anything. He's trying. You can see that he is trying to speak, but his sound is not audible to us. Okay,
Yes,
right
it's
now.
nothing to.
Yes,
Now it's
we have our Ramakanta Naik sir. Ramakanta Naik sir, he is also here, and he is a research scholar. And I request Ramakanta Naik to say some things in this regard. Ramakanta Naik sir.
Thank you so much, Sunil Kumar Mahanan sir. And first of all, respected our chief guest, Bak sir, and our chief speaker, Dr. Vivekanand Mahanan sir, and my beloved Dada, Sahuda, today's host, and Sunil, Sunil Mahanan sir. This is a wonderful initiative. I truly appreciate it, and this is happening for the first time that some novel thing, uh, some novel resource is getting ready to support our ISOS aspirant. Uh,
Oh, sir, you are not audible clearly.
all right, all right. And is it audible now?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir. Yes, sir.
slightly just raise your voice, sir. Actually, just very little sound is coming out of you, sir.
Okay. Is it okay now?
Right, sir. It is very okay.
All
All
right,
right,
all right.
sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience. So, well, having this likely mind, I am also up to this to support the aspirants who are uh, pursuing their goals and administrative uh, career or in academic careers. And I'm also pursuing my career in academics, also interested in administrative jobs also. So this is a very good platform for all of us, those who are uh, pursuing our career uh, in administrative and academic works. This platform could provide us resources and have a healthy discussion in various topics, in various subjects, and we can also help each other in terms of uh, our, uh, our study or in terms of our uh, physical, financial, or mental problems. And I really would like to thank uh, Sunil Kumar Mahanan sir, who has taken this initiative to start such noble mission. So, and uh, uh, you have already, Sunil Kumar sir, you have already talked about the aims and objectives, and Dr. Mahanand sir has also emphasis on the preparation strategy of UPSC civil services. So he his words and his strategy was wonderful, and I have learned a lot from him now, and I will definitely follow his path to achieve the goals. And I'm looking forward to it, to being active members in this group, and to provide any such kind of support, or any such kind of contribution that can help to anyone, to any aspirant. I will definitely share my views, my materials, my support to all of you, those who want. And we'll also have some discussion whenever it is need. I'll also take some classes on maybe geography. I have completed my master's in geography, and pursuing my PhD in disaster management. So if anyone need any guidance or material on disaster management or geography, I can help you out. So feel free to reach me out, and feel free to reach anyone from this group to get any kind of support and materials regarding ISOS examination. So once again, I would like to thank you, all of you, to join this uh this session, this inaugural session. And I extend my gratitude to you, Mr. Sunil Kumar Manan sir, for providing me such a uh, this opportunity to speak for speak on this matter. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So, Vinay sir, yes, please ask anybody who want to say anything and who just want to know anything from this group. Please, anyone can sort of ask any type of question relating to this group or any doubt. So please feel free to ask anything. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
ओके आपण मानक समस्त को रिक्वेस्ट कर जहार भी जहा डाउट थिबो कि जहा कोन केमिति कोन करा जिवो आ समस्ते मु जेते भाबुछि एठी समस्ते जेहेतु गोटे घंटा हैला अछंती तो निश्चित रूप रे समस्त भाबरे गोटे जुनून थिबो जे मु गोटे दिने ना दिने ब्यूरोक्रेट हेबी गोटे मु गोटे ओएस हेबी ना आईएस हेबी बोली निश्चित रूप रे आपनकर चिंताधारा थिबो बोली घंटे हैला पूरा शांतिर सहित सुनुचंती निश्चित पखरे आपण मानकर पाखरे निश्चित गोटे जोश अछि आउ आशा करूची आम ग्रुप रो समस्त गोटे गोटे आईएएस हेकि बाहरिबे रियल कथा जेमिति कि बिना साहू कहले जे मु भूली जाइछि बोदे ना मु भूलिनी एक्चुअली हमर जोटा पाई छंती जने डॉक्टर पुओ आ जने जेन से पाई छंती रियली जो एफ्लुएंट कम्युनिटी रो जाई कि पाउ छंती जो माने कि दिल्ली बेस रे दिल्ली रे कि लक्ष लक्ष टका खर्च करी कि से माने पाउ छंती मु जानि छी हमर किछि लोक सत्यव्रत भई अछंती बेहरा सर अछंती जेते बेले मु सेक्रेटरीएट के जाइछि सेक्रेटरी रे जने मते आईपीएस माने आईपीएस पछरे तो घर कोठी रे बेटा मते से कहले जे मु कलाहांडी वा शाबाश मते ही जस्ट थापुडले आ कहले कलाहांडी तमर से सत्यव्रत भाई ये अछन से अछन बहुत कलाहांडी माटीर गर्व रे लागला तो सेही जदी जदी आम निजर आपण मानकर आम ग्रुप रो जदी आम भाई आम रिलेटिव तो गोटे गोटे आईएएस ऑफिसर थांते केमिति लागिवो केमिति लागिवो आर निश्चित आपण मानकर पाखर भी निश्चित जुनून से निश्चित रूप रे आपण माने भी करि पारिबे किंतु आपण मानके निहाती टिके मोरल सपोर्ट दरकार आ किछि सपोर्ट दरकार तो आमे जदि किछि ना किछि जेहेतु गोटे 2 वर्षर एक्सपीरियंस अछि 2018 रु स्टार्ट करे 2022 जिबारे लागलानी तो अंतत जो माने यंग अछंती से मान को टिके जदि हेल्प करू तो से माने आगु को भी उड़ी जाय पारंती होय तो आ सब बेले जो आमे जोटा कहू होय तो आमे क्वालिफाई न कर पारुनु किंतु आपण माने निश्चित क्वालिफाई करबे बिकॉज़ आपनकर एबे वर्तमान डायनामिक माइंड ता अछि एबे वर्तमान आपण रियल स्टूडेंट है सेति पय आपण मान को डेफिनेटली गोटा प्लेटफॉर्म ता क्रिएट करा जाय छै आ से प्लेटफॉर्म रे जेते संभव आमे हेल्प करबा लागि चेष्टा करबु आ मिली मिसी के पाठ पढबु आ समस्त माने ए एग्जाम ता को हरैबु बोली मोर आशा और भरोसा तो आपण मानकर भितरे एनीवन प्लीज आस्क एनी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन सो वी कैन सॉर्ट डाउन योर प्रॉब्लम आल्सो yes yes please
Manand Babu, if anybody from aspirant side says
Yes.
something, want to say something, they can say they can keep their views.
Okay, I think
Hello,
Sunil.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Just Mohit Sunani is going to say something.
Sir.
Yes, Mohit.
Jai Bhim to all, sir. I am from Nuapada district, and I have started my preparation from 2019, and till now I am continuing my preparation. All of you stated that what should be our strategy for getting our aim and to achieve our goal. But I think some of the things which should be involved in our session is to who will be the tutors which will guide us for the further movement towards our goals. And Mohanand sir, you have also told that you will teach any kind of subject. That's why I'm telling that I am also able. I'm also a dynamic person that I can teach the aspirants any kind of subject. That might be polity, economy, international relationships, ethics, anything. So if among our aspirants, if they needed some help, I have also all the materials which are more enough for the clearing of civil service examination, and I have my own strategy to clear this. But still, I have not yet cleared the civil service examination. So, sir, can you tell me who will be the tutors for us? Who will be the object for the general studies papers?
Yes. Right, sir.
Anand, sir.
Right, sir. बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन टा पचारिछन sir. Who will be the teachers? Right, sir. See, आमे जदि टीचर मानकर एठी जो गोटे प्लेटफॉर्म टा गोटे क्रिएट करा जाउछि जहा फल रे कि समस्ते सबु सब्जेक्ट रे एक्सपर्ट न थांते. राइट सर. तो आमे गोटे बेस टा क्रिएट करबो वर्तमान. बेस टा क्रिएट करबो केमिति जो माने आपण धरि नंतु वेल एक्सपर्ट अछंती जो गोटे पर्टिकुलर फील्ड रे तो आपण कर गोटे टॉपिक को आपण को गोटे सप्ताह भितरे भी गोटे टॉपिक आपण को चूज कर दिया जेबा. तो सेही टॉपिक को आपण कोन करबे समस्त सामना रे इंटरप्रिटेशन करबे. राइट सर. मते गोटे जो टॉपिक हैला से टॉपिक को मु डिस्कशन करबी. आ गोटे जदी जे जदी बेटर थिबा हमकु गोटे जो ग्रुप रे कहबे जे एक्चुअली आई वांट टू जस्ट डिलीवर माय लेक्चर ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक विद इन दैट डेट. ए दिन रे मु करबी. मतलब देखंतु समस्त को पाखरे के साइंस बैकग्राउंड रो अछि के आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड रो अछि के ज्योग्राफी ऑनर्स रखितबो तो के पॉलिटिकल साइंस ऑनर्स रखितबो तो के हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स रखितबो. तो जे जो ऑनर्स रखितबो ना से ऑनर्स रे डेफिनेटली से टिके सीधा हस्त रहितबो ही रहितबे. राइट सर. यस. तो एमिति भाबरे हम टिके पढबु. राइट सर. और फिर भी किछि जदी डाउट रहि जाय छै सेटा को हमें नोट करिके रखबो. सेटा को नोट करके रखबो जे हमर कोड रोचे हमें डिफरेंट सोर्स से सेटा कलेक्शन करिकर हमें गोटे ग्रुप भाबरे डिस्कशन करबो जे पर्टिकुलरली हमें गोटे टॉपिक को बुझी पारलुनु से टॉपिक को केमिति डाउट क्लियर करिबा. राइट सर. जा फल रे एक्सेंस ऑफ नॉलेज हला पर 100% गोटे कर डाउट टा क्लियरिफाई हे जिबा. आ प्रतिदिन जदी हमें रेगुलर बेसिस रे हमर कोटा जे कोनसी बही को उठेलो धरि नियंतो मोर पाखरे गोटे एम लक्ष्मीकांत रो अछि. एम लक्ष्मीकांत रो पूरा चैप्टर वाइज अछि. तो हमें चैप्टर वाइज को हम समस्त एम लक्ष्मीकांत को जे भी पढिथिबे तो मु जदी सबु को सीरियली जदी गोटे लोक पढै नेबी होय तो आपन को मते माने खराब भी लागि पारे भल भी लागि पारे कहि हेबनी. किंतु गोटे टॉपिक को जदी मु धरि नियंतो हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड ऑफ पॉलिटिकल मेकिंग ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मु सेटा कहली आपन को कहले जे आरो सप्ताह को आपन को फंडामेंटल राइट नेबे. तो गोटे मास भितर आपन निश्चित रूप रे फंडामेंटल राइट को क्लियरिफाई करि पारबे. सेटा गोटे हला पॉइंट. राइट सर. आ गोटे पॉइंट हला जोटा की विवेकानंद सर कहले जे द हिंदू पेपर इज इट इज ए वेरी की टू सक्सेस. राइट सर. आपण मानकर पाखर रे गोटे फिजिकल हिंदू पेपर जीवा पई हेले भारी कष्ट हमर रिमोट एरिया को तो आमे हिंदू पेपर कोन देखि ना किछि पिला अछन कलाहांडी को हिंदू पेपर ही जायनी राइट सर कलाहांडी को हिंदू पेपर ही जायनी तो आमे सब दिन जदी न्यूज़ पेपर हेडिंग पढमु समस्त को अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया जिवो आ डेली आमे पेपर रीडिंग करबा डेली एटलीस्ट 10 टा जदी करंट अफेयर डिस्कशन करबा कि 10 टा जीके जदी डिस्कशन करबा तो आपनकर मासे रे केते होछि आ वर्ष रे केते हे गलानी चिंता करंतु आ जो हमर जो ग्रुप रे पूरा गोटे एमिति रहबो कोनोसी अननेसेसरी डिस्कशन टा हेबा पूरा स्ट्रिक्टली मना ओनली डिस्कशन हेबो केवल हमर रिक्वायरमेंट अनुसार ओपीएससी यूपीएससी रिलेटेड आ कोनोसी व्यक्ति जदी अननेसेसरी सोशल इशू को डालेला कि अननेसेसरी इशू को डालेला संगे संग तांको आमे कोन करबा ब्लॉक मार देबा या तांको रिमूव कर देबा का जे हमर तो गोटे स्ट्रांग भाबरे बनेबा को पड़िबो गोटे स्ट्रांग फाउंडेशन क्रिएट करबा को पड़िबो राइट सर आ कांस्टेंटली देखंतु डेली जदी रेगुलरली हमें प्रैक्टिस करबा प्रैक्टिस डेली कला माने किछि ना किछि हमें डेफिनेटली गोटे प्रॉम्प्ट हेबा ही हेबा गोटे पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक या पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन रे तो मोर तो आत्मविश्वास कहू छी जदी रेगुलर ए प्रोसेस चलेबा बोले समस्त किछि ना किछि अति सुंदर भाबरे सिखि पारबे बोली मु भाबु छी आपण मानकर मतरे काण आइ पारे
Sure, sir, sure.
Sir, anyone, please?
knowledge चेते हमें
ऐसा आउ गोटे जेते बिले कि जदी धरि नियंतु आम भितरे मैथ रो अभाव रहला आम पाखरे कि मैथ लोक रहलेनी जदी आमे जदी लर्नर वी आर ऑल लर्नर आमे जदी चेष्टा करमु जे गोटे हमकु लेकुना रहि गला जे हमकु मैथ टीचर गोटे दरकार आम पाखरे सब होई जोछि कि तो मैथ होनी तो मैथ को केमिति सॉर्ट आउट करबा तो आम भितरे जदी एस्पिरेंट भितर रे आमे तो गोटे कोचिंग सेंटर गोटे सब्जेक्ट कले भी आपन को 80,000 टंका देबा को पड़िबो आ सब सब्जेक्ट कले भी माने 80,000 टंका को देबा को पड़िबो राइट ना नहीं सर जदी आमे जदी इगरनेस एक्चुअली रियल नीडेड पिला आमर भितरे भी मु जानि न पारे जे मोर पाखरे किए गोटे भल मैथ टीचर अछंती किंतु आमे जो 150 जन अछु निश्चित रूप जने को भितर भी जैनथिबे जे बेस्ट मैथ टीचर्स किए राइट सेही सर को आमे अप्रोच करबू होय तो आमे 5-5 10-10 टंका कलेक्शन करबी से सर को देला पर से सर जदी हमको रेगुलर बेसिस रे जदी क्लास नेबे डेफिनेटली आमे मैथ रे भी एक्सपर्ट हे जेबा हे परिबा ना नहीं सर राइट सर तो सेटा हबो हमरो स्ट्रेटजी Oh sir, please, anyone, please.
We can have our expert in, I mean, we can also approach anyone else who is expert in whatever may be the subject. And we can approach our bureaucrats, those who are currently serving to the government. So we can approach to anyone else for the any type of for the doubt, for the clarity of doubt. This year, one of my friend has been qualified. IS, I mean, he got rank 190. Like that, we can approach any OS officer also, because they can guide us. Okay, and they have, I think they have ample knowledge about this examination and the any topic. So this platform will give you guidance and having conceptual clarity. If you have doubt, then anyone can, if anyone has the knowledge, then he or she can clear your doubt. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर देखंतु सर आम मानक भितर जदी गोटे आमे गोटे ग्रुप थिबा बोले तो आमे काहा को गोटे रिक्वेस्ट करि पारबो ना सर आम पाखरे आमे गोटे एस्पिरेंट 10 जन 20 जन 50 जन अछु सर आमको टिके आसी कर किछि गोटे मार्गदर्शन दियन बोले गोटे इंडिविजुअल पचराबा गोटे एक्स्ट्रा कथा आ ग्रुपली पचराबाटा गोटे एक्स्ट्रा कथा आमे जदी 10 जन अछु जदी आमे जदी कहबो जदी आम कलेक्टर को भी जदी कहबो आम कलाहांडी कलेक्टर हो कि हमर जे कोनसी कलेक्टर या एसपी को जेबो सर आमको टिके आसंतु आपनकर फ्री दिन रे गोटे घंटा आमको टिके जस्ट मोटिवेट करंतु सर आरो स्ट्रेटेजी टिके कोंतु आमे केमिति पढी परिबा जहा फल रे कि आमे भी आपनकर बोली मनीष पर मनीष हे परिबा जदी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जदी थिबे डेफिनेटली जे ना जे भी गोटे निश्चित सहायता करबा पे आमको आसीबे जदी आमे जदी एकुटिया न थिबा जदी एक्स्ट्रा थिबा इंडिविजुअली तबे केही भी आमको सहायता करिबेनी आ आमे जदि परस्पर को जदि आमे जदि अन्य को सहाय्य न करिचु तो अन्य हमको काहे के सहाय्य करिवे कि तो आमे भी अन्य को सहाय्य करिवो अन्य लोक भी हमको निश्चय सहाय्य करिवे
See the
This is
basic
all.
fundamental principle, the basic I mean the fundamental things for this preparation is hard work. Okay, and that is from your side, and you have to do at least 8 to 10 hours of hard work every day, consistently, and the rest of the thing, this platform will provide you some guidance. And do not think that this platform will provide you each and every topic. I mean, teach you everything. Okay, this platform will guide you
Yes.
and provide some study material. I mean, most of the study material, and we'll have basic discussion. As you know, discussion is very much important. We have less time. Hope continue for the next session.
Yes, only 6 minutes is left. So आउ किछि जस्ट टिके किछि कोहंतु के कहबार किछि अछि किछि जानिबार अछि आउ जेमिति आपण दिन सारा पढबे टिके भी जदी सेटा जदी आसी सामना रे कहि देबे डेफिनेटली आपण को हेल्प हेबो तो आई रिक्वेस्ट एनीबॉडी सो प्लीज से समथिंग because only 6 minutes is left so that we conclude our session.
At first, hello.
Yes, Susan sir, you are audible. Okay.
At first, give him to all, and at first, very much respected to Bak sir and Vivekanand sir, and along with the Sunil Kumar sir and all participants. And this is great initiative by us, and it is clappable, and more it is more astonished for me as a beginner what I have been searching these types of platform. So very much thanks to all of you, all of the participants and all greatest wisher. तो मोर गुटे क्वेश्चन तो गुटे मोर गुटे खाली ओनली ऑप्शन भी सेटा गुटे क्वेश्चन भी पारे डाउट भी पारे जे बिगिनर हिसाब जे बिगिनर कि देयर आर variety types of material available in the market like drishti Patika Darpan, like chronicle. Variety types of material are available in the market. As a beginner, how to know which material is suitable for that beginner? That is my question, sir. Because maybe that student is maybe divert because competition market. So how to know which material is for best for me?
I have
That is
told
my
you the
question, sir.
materials in the previous session, I think, in detail. I have told you the material and resources, which
Yes.
sources you have to follow.
Yes.
If you have
Yes,
any
sir,
doubts regarding any topic or any subject, then you may ask.
Vivek sir, you had said that Lakshmikant and Durgadas Basu, maybe Indian polity.
Right.
Right. But that as a beginner, that is hard subject for a beginner. Durgadas Basu especially.
Right. First you have to
Because
follow the, you have to study the NCERT. Okay.
okay, sir.
Class 6 to class 12 NCERT in political science, polity.
Okay,
Then
sir.
after you have to go for the advanced level of textbook like Lakshmikant.
Okay, sir.
And for
Okay,
preliminary, Lakshmikant is important. Everyone said that this is the Bible for the polity.
And
Yes,
for
sir.
maths examination,
So sorry,
Sir,
sir.
sir,
Actually, only 3 minutes is left. Okay, sir. So
Sir, okay,
shall
sir.
we keep next session tomorrow so that at that time we shall discuss about syllabus. Okay, sir. We shall discuss about syllabus. According to syllabus, we should not go beyond the syllabus. Right, sir?
yes.
तो बियॉन्ड सिलेबस हमको जीवा नहीं हमको सिलेबस करबा आ केमिति कले समस्तंकर भाबी विचार करी कि समस्तंकर भलो कल्याण हेबो से भली काम करबा कोनोसी एठू आउट ऑफ सिलेबस हमर जीवा नै अननेसेसरी जिनिस डिस्कशन करिबार नै काली आमटू काली आमे पाठ्य खसडा निर्माण करबा आ अकॉर्डिंग टू से हिसाब रे हम समस्त मिली मिसी कर पाठ पढिबा राइट सर
sir.
okay sir
Right.
oh then Binay Sahu please just say the vote of thanks so that we can conclude. Only 2 minutes left.
Okay, thank you, Sunil. Thank you very much, and thank you everyone for participating in this session very actively. But I have one complaint, not exactly complaint, but a suggestion to this group that if you are going to be an administrative officer, then please have some burning desire, man. Please open your videos, unmute your videos whenever you are talking, because if you will be sleeping there at your home and Sunil Mohanand is speaking something, then that is completely meaningless. So let's unmute all of our videos so that we can interact directly face to face. And Dr. Vivekanand Mohanand sir had some technical issues today, or maybe he would be in his office now. So each and every time we have to be very active through our face, through our videos also. So that's only one complaint and suggestion from my side. So I would like to give my hearty thanks to on behalf of BHIMS IS Academy, to each and every participants, to all the dignitaries, especially the chief guest Dr. Bagh sir. Today, due to some emergency, Niyal sir didn't attend the session, but thank you very much, Niyal sir, for giving consent to this session. We would like to give our thanks to Dr. Sesadev Sona, our close associate, as well as one of our admin of this group. And obviously, a big thanks to Sunil Mohanand. And thank you everyone. And have a great time ahead. Stay connected, stay tuned to this BHIMS IS. Thank you.
Thank you Binay Sahu, thank you Bagh sir, Vivekanand sir, Manan sir, and everybody.
Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim.
Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim to all. Okay, thank you everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.